Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create voice channel on your Discord via Discord app on your mobile phone. At the moment I'm using iPhone, but it's perfectly doable on any other device. First of all, we want to go to the left side on our screen and pick ourselves a server. You have to be an administrator to do so. So let's go to our server. On the top right of our mobile phone screen, there's these three dots next to name of the server, and we want to go to create a channel. Channel name, let's go with test 1 or 12, doesn't matter, it's okay. And we want to go to voice channel. Everyone will be able to come and have a chat with us, or we can invite people to our channel and so on. We can also stream and listen to music via bots. So it's completely easy, and we just need to press create. And as you can see, test 12 channel, it's already ready, and we can join with the voice. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.